Well, good morning. It is the next day. It's December 1st. It's 6:15 in the morning. So let's get ourselves set up here inside the cabin the way I like it. So I'm at Naples Airport, and the goal today, I've been thinking about this all morning before I got home. The goal today was to make it to Daytona Beach and land at Daytona International Speedway. There is a big airport right there, and here's a screenshot showing this thing. It's the Daytona International Airport, and Daytona International Speedway is right next door. So I really would like to make it there today. I didn't realize how far away it is. Unfortunately, it's quite a long ways away. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to that today. I'm going to try, but likely it's just going to be too much. But we'll eventually get there. And I want to land on the racetrack on the backstretch of the Daytona International Speedway, the place where Dale Earnhardt Sr. was killed some 20 years ago, almost 21 years ago now. Anyway, really a fun racetrack. I like watching NASCAR, and that's one of my favorite places to watch. So anyway, let's get ready and take off here. We gotta go down here and get the parking brake. So the flaps, we're not gonna fool with those because they should fix themselves once we're up in the air. There we go. That's where I like it. Let's get rid of objectives. It'll just keep popping up. Let's just not even worry about it right now. So let's go outside here and let's throttle up. And there we go. So anyway, get some flying in today. Hopefully I can not get too darn tired. Like I said, I slept horrible last night. And I've been up since probably 9 or 10 o'clock last night. And I've managed to doze off a couple times in the chair. Big recliner, but no, for the most part, I think it's going to be an early day to bed today for me. So, well, I know it is because I'm going to have a full day of work tomorrow, and I got to go in early, and the whole weekend's just going to be a mess there. Okay, without my compass, I don't really know where I'm at. See, now we need to turn. We need to make a left turn, don't we? Yep, let's go ahead and do that. Looks like the flaps have straightened themselves out. So we're resuming the flight. That is Fort Lauderdale International. Fort Lauderdale always reminds me of, I don't even know what flight it was, but during the war, a squadron took off from Fort Lauderdale of Army planes and disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. It would be years later when they were actually found, so they'd went off course, ran out of fuel, and crashed into the ocean here. I don't know too much about it, but it was flight something or other. I don't remember, but I should look up a documentary on YouTube and watch that. Okay, I just passed Palm Beach. The Palm Beach International right down there. At first I thought it was at Daytona, because it's in about the same area. It's not, of course, that's a big airport there. So I am currently watching on another computer the mysterious disappearance of Flight 19. That is the flight that disappeared out of Fort Lauderdale into the Bermuda Triangle. So I'm about halfway through it, so we'll find out. I know I heard some years ago they actually found remains of the flight. Anyway. Okay, it's going on 11 o'clock here in the morning, and I am finally arriving at Daytona International Airport and the Speedway. Speedway's right in there. So we're just 8 miles from it. I'm going to start preparing. I'm going to start turning, and we're going to kind of just fly around it and get some looks at it, and then come in from this direction. And I'm going to attempt to land on the backstretch. So I don't know if that's going to work. I mean, I assume it's big enough, but we're going to give it a shot. Then. Okay, we're getting pretty close to it. As you can see, there's a runway right there where I can easily land right now. Anyway, let's see where we're at in here. Oh, we're dropping elevation quick, yeah. You can see the airport there. And the Speedway, there's a lake in the middle of the Speedway, and that's what that rectangle thing, not a rectangle, but a square, long square thing is. Alright, about 2,000 feet. Let's get back out here. There it is. So we will take off from this airport next time we fly. The tower down there. Alrighty. This would be nice to have my instruments on the screen here. I'm sure there's some way to put them back on there. It must be. I don't know. So we'll just kind of fly right over the Speedway. I forget what the name of that lake is. The reason there's that lake there is they had to take all the dirt out of there to build the banks of the raceway. And they just made a lake out of it. Interesting. Sure looks tiny. The grandstands, pit road. Yeah, I'm interested in taxiing around there if I can. Oh boy, we're getting pretty low here. Oh, we're really getting low. 500 feet. Yeah, that's too low. So we need to go out here and then make our turn. I am not lined up the way I wanted to be lined up. Okay, cut throttle. Let's see, this is a mess. Oh, what a mess. Okay. Now if I can just glide in, don't want to lose too much. I'm really tempted to just try to land on that runway right there. But I want to go just to the right of the lake. I'm probably a fool to try this, because I could have landed. I'm perfectly set up for that runway there. We're at 1,200 feet. We need to drop the flaps. Left-handed mousing doesn't work very good for me, so... Okay, let's go back up. Throttle's cut. So you can see where I'm going to try to land. Right in there, right, boy. Oh, come on, am I going to be able to do this?
500.
Should be able to do this. Oh, oh! Oh. Okay, come on. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, and of course. Of course. So, here at Daytona. So, if you like this video, hope you'll join me again. Please like and subscribe. And we'll come back next time, probably next week, and take off from Daytona International Runway. And continue our flight up the coast of Florida. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.